Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. This is Bailatron, and today I'm going to show you that tent I said I was going to do the other day. The bike looks absolutely riffy. It needs a good clean. Even parts are going rusty. Look, I need to sort this out. Never mind. Anyway, let's get this key and go to the top box, shall we? Ta-da! That's it. That's all it is. Really small, compact. It weighs 2 kg. It's a nature hike outdoors. What is it now? Oh, I forgot the name of it. I'll tell you in a minute. We'll put that over there. This is my mattress basically. You pump it up, but you pump it up by your foot, so you don't need to put it to any airlines or anything like that. So that's good. My little stoves and stuff in here. Bit of gas. The mat's inside the tent because I've already had it out. Toolkit. That's about it at the minute, really. Obviously I need bedding and things like that, but let's get this set up and show you what the tent looks like. A couple of you said don't go on the A9, go on the A93, is it? So I think I'll be changing the route for that. Let's get this set up, see how long it takes, shall we? I know I need to lose weight, so don't mention it in the comments. It comes with this awesome little strap, which are normally like a ribbon, isn't they? But it comes with a strap instead, which is handy. Monga 2. It's only 130 quid on Amazon, but it's had really good reviews. That's why I brought it. I have already set it out once, but let's just see how long it takes to set up now. If you can see this is your undersheet, what's meant to be in that little bag, but I've left it all together. We've got these aluminium tent poles. They're pretty good quality. There's no plastic on them. Yeah, there is. There's a plastic thing in the middle, which all snaps together, which is cool. These just slot straight in onto your ground sheet and onto your like netting sheet, whatever it is. Nice thing about it, it's all movable. You just pick the whole thing up when it's together, and away you go. And these just all clip together. I can see it all clear from above, looking back on it all. Maybe I can see what was broken. That's that bit done, and you've got the top sheet. Oh, what do you call this bit? The main part of the tent, whatever. Yeah, it's a lonely calling. These just clip straight in. Look at this. Aluminium tent pegs. At least they're not going to snap on you, are they? Hopefully. And I think that's about it really. Obviously you peg it all down on all the corners, tighten it all up, make it look neat. Do you know what I have done though? Like an idiot. I've put it on inside out. Stay with me. I thought something didn't look right. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Stood on that then. Can you tell I'm a seasoned camper? Right, this time we got it right. Now we've got it facing the right way. Obviously it'll be a bit more tighter than that when you set it up full time for the night. But basically that's it. It's solid. It's all freestanding as well, so if you take all the tent pegs out like this, you can literally move it wherever you want. That's not supposed to happen, is it? You're supposed to be able to move it wherever you want. You should be able to move it all around. If it don't pop off the ground sheet, that is. You can just put it wherever. Which is pretty cool. What do they call that? Freestanding tent? Right, now on the inside of it, see these aluminium pegs? They are good. Look at these. I've already shown you, but these aluminium pegs are absolutely brilliant. Really lightweight and strong. It's good for what we need. Wrap these up onto these little tags, and I do believe there's a video where they put the top sheet on before they put this net fly sheet in, so if it's raining and stuff you can do it that way as well. And on the inside you got the I forgot what they call these little areas, but it's called something, isn't it, to put your boots in that. It's a two-man tent, obviously. That's enough for one person and his kit. These tags here, look, they're meant to go on the poles, but I haven't done that, obviously. I've got a nice little area up the top here, look, to put all your stuff in and whatever else, your lights and everything. But overall, it's not a bad little tent at all. Everything's aluminium, basically. Even these little tag things, look, they're all proper metal. It's not plastic, which is good. Small enough to put on the back of the bike in the panniers, and obviously I'll get my other stuff in there. I do need to get a sleeping bag, and I also need a chair and a few other bits and bobs, lights and things like that. But I'm nearly ready to go to Scotland, ladies and gents. Right then guys, it's probably not the most detailed review of a tent ever, but basically I'm new at this, so bear with me. I will be doing the wild camping, like I said, up Scotland, so that's when we're really going to test it. I'll show you the other stuff when I'm on tour, because it can be a lot easier, because I'm in the middle of a park and there's kids and people and dogs and footballs and all sorts of stuff going on, so I don't really want to set the whole thing up like I'm going to stop here all night, you know what I mean? Right, let's rip this thing down then, shall we? And then move on the way, because the sun's coming down. I need to get back soon because I'm hungry. That's it for that lot. Just all in one thing, so you put it away in the bag and you don't have to worry about losing poles and all that sort of malarkey. They're aluminium, which is an absolute bonus. They're all really solid, well built. Wouldn't expect it for £130 tent, would you? Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. I had a camping trip once, Shell Island, and that was an absolute disaster as well. I ended up buying a tent for £300 at home. It was a big one, second hand, and it leaked. I didn't know what I was doing. It was raining, so I went and brought a tent off site where I was at Shell Island, and it was £250. I spent one night there, and then we went out because the weather was that bad. All the tents going down and everything was crazy. Successfully erected the tent and dismantled the tent. Happy days. Let's go and put it back in the bike. I want to do it so all the camping gear, everything, is all in just this top box. That's my plan. I don't think I'll get the sleeping bag in here, but we can try. But if not, I'll strap it to the seat anyway. But there should be plenty enough room for everything I need. I've got 2 panniers as well for the clothes and bits and bobs and all that malarkey. It all fits in there well so far. There's still plenty of room as well, so I can get a lot more stuff in there. I do want to get a camping chair in here. I want to get one of those little tables as well. I was thinking about a jet boil, but I'm unsure on the jet boil yet, because this cooker might be just enough anyway. My 2 flasks, my Stanley flasks, so I can get hot water, and I don't know what else to say really at the minute. I think I've covered everything, but if I haven't, let me know in the comments. Right then guys, I do hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you all for your recent comments and subscriptions. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. And I'll be heading to Scotland, and by the time this one's uploaded, I'll be on the way, which will be Sunday. So, speak to you soon guys. Ta-da.